Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. Man, I'm so happy. I finally got those lug nuts off the Corvette. It actually took a mini sledge, like mushrooming one of those, whatever it was, to get it on there, and then just impacting the living heck out of it, and I got them off. And I switched out the brake pads, I bled the brakes, and my baby's back. So I'm super happy. Just a little bit of blood loss. I didn't document like the actual process because it had just been like 5 days worth of swearing, just pure swearing, non-stop swearing. So I saved you the punishment of watching that. But here's the Corvette, and I'm so glad to have it back, and I'm so thankful and grateful for all the guys and people that reached out and helped me. Darren at the track who lent me the tools gracefully, didn't want anything in return. I don't have a lot of money to give right now, and these guys helped me out big time with advice, and they wanted to come and help, but like I said, without any money, without being able to pay someone, I don't want to do that, so I did it myself, and I'm super happy. So take a look. These are those locking lug nuts that gave me such a hard time. You can see there's a lip there that made it super hard for me to latch onto. But we managed, we got them, and they're off. She's real dirty, so don't judge me too hardcore on that, but I'll get her cleaned up here shortly and looking good. '85 Tuned Port Chevrolet Corvette bracket race special. For everyone today, just remind everyone that Corvette is live, doing well, and we're going to be at WIR this Saturday. So make sure to come on out, see all your favorite racers.